In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, availability is the key to success. At Bosch Rexroth Thailand, we offer a comprehensive range of services provided by a team of expert engineers specializing in automation solutions. No matter what type of automation you need, we are ready to serve you. Our services include repair, inspection, and improvement of machinery and various components, ensuring you receive equipment that feels like new while saving costs. All parts are repaired and tested at our state-of-the-art Rexroth Service Center in Thailand, which is ISO 9001 certified. Our field service engineers develop tailored service plans to meet your specific needs. We are ready to provide on-site service, maintenance, installation, and emergency repairs, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum productivity. We supply spare parts for machinery using genuine components from the Bosch Rexroth Global Network, ensuring quick delivery so that your operations run smoothly without interruptions. At Bosch Rexroth, we guarantee the best after-sales service and support from our customer support team. Our latest service, Retrofit and Modernization, transforms old equipment into new and upgrades new equipment with the latest technology to extend its lifespan, enhance productivity, and improve safety. We also offer remanufacturing services to extend the service life of products and offers the same product quality as a new product. We are extremely proud to be appointed as the first Center of Competence for motors and drives in ASEAN, ready to provide comprehensive maintenance, upgrades, and spare parts supply for motors and drives at international standards, delivered by a highly experienced team of experts certified by Germany.
Bosch Rexroth, we are ready to keep you moving. We move, you win.
Bosch Rexroth Thailand.